Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Porkbun domain to Webflow. So step number 1, log in. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you wish to update. Click the details button to the far right of your domain, displaying the domain details area. Then go to the DNS records option and select the edit icon. On the Manage DNS Records menu, scroll down till you see our Quick DNS Configuration Settings section. In the Quick DNS Config section, select the Webflow button. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to reconfigure your domain's DNS records. Select OK to continue. A success message will appear letting you know that we were able to update your DNS records. You should now see your DNS records successfully updated to the Webflow DNS under current records. And that's it. You should now be able to connect to Webflow, and it may take several minutes for the new DNS settings to propagate, though it can sometimes take up to 48 hours. Thanks for watching.